my fluffy goats, Bobo.
Sorry, Greenie Babs.
Achoo!
Shoo! Shoo!
Achoo!
Oh, what a pretty cloud. I wish I was yellow like that. Maybe we could be friends. Hello, I'm Fuffa Cloud. What's your name? Do you want to play? I said my name's Fuffa Cloud. Who are you? Where are you going? That's not very nice.
Achoo! 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 That? Achoo! Strange. Why are we all achoo sneezing? Achoo! Oh dear. Maybe I'll find something to help in my toolbox. Achoo!
Hey, Baba Blue and Bobo, what do you think of this yellow cloud?
Achoo!
I tried talking to it, but it just ignores me.
Sorry, Fuffa Cloud. I'm busy. I need to work out how to stop these sneezes. Achoo! Nope, that won't do. Or that. We need help. Baba Yellow will know what to do. Achoo! Ah! Hold on tight, Bobo.
Hey, you! Come back!
Hi, Baba Yellow.
Oh.
Do you know how to get rid of sneezes?
Rainbow.
Achoo!
2.
My stripes, they're ruined.
Don't worry, Rainbow. I can fix them. Just keep still.
Yes, keep still.
Achoo!
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 You too, eh? You are all in colourful moods today.